A bill titled Immigrant Detained Persons Legal Rights Act was introduced by Illinois Representative Bill Foster on December 15, 2023. This bill mandates the creation of the Office of Legal Access Programs within the Executive Office for Immigration Review. This office is tasked with developing and administering legal orientation programs to educate non-citizens about administrative procedures and their legal rights under U.S. immigration law. Within 180 days of this bill passing, the Attorney General must submit a plan to Congress outlining the schedule for developing and deploying legal orientation programs. This plan is to be developed with input from non-governmental organizations and stakeholders, ensuring a comprehensive and collaborative approach. The legal orientation programs are designed to assist non-citizens, both in custody and those released, in making informed decisions regarding their removal and eligibility for relief. These programs aim to increase efficiency, reduce costs in immigration proceedings, and improve access to legal services. Legal orientation programs are required to be available in English and the 5 most common native languages spoken by detained persons. Additionally, the programs are mandated to identify particularly vulnerable non-citizens, including unaccompanied children and those with serious mental disabilities, for special consideration. The Secretary of Homeland Security, in consultation with the Attorney General, is tasked with establishing procedures to ensure that legal orientation programs are available to all non-citizens within 5 days of their arrival into custody. These procedures include informing non-citizens about basic immigration hearing processes, their rights as human beings and non-citizens, and any other relevant information to stop excessive or incorrect legal issues. The Act incorporates a rule of construction explicitly stating that no subjective issues or rights created by procedures is allowed to be legally enforced. This is to prevent any excessive or incorrect claims against the United States that arise as a result of this bill. There are no specific amounts, but money will be put aside for the actions of this bill. Primary impact: there is anticipated improvement in the efficiency of immigration proceedings, leading to total cost reduction and more timely proceeding implementation and overall living conditions. Legal orientation programs aim to streamline decision-making processes for non-citizens regarding removal and relief from removal, ultimately enhancing the overall effectiveness of immigration procedures. With that efficiency and legal counsel, the reduction in opinion-based or procedurally created rights will be reduced alongside the bill's requirement, helping create safer and more fair results for those in custody. Secondary impact: there is a potential increase in access to legal services and counsel for non-citizens. By providing information about administrative procedures and legal rights, as well as an emphasis on language accessibility in consideration of vulnerable groups, this bill seeks to empower individuals to make informed decisions, contributing to more just outcomes in immigration proceedings. Tertiary impact: the appropriation of funds to carry out the actions of this bill are not defined. Adequate resources are crucial for establishing and operating the Office of Legal Access Programs and legal orientation initiatives, ensuring the effective implementation of the legislation, but will likely come at a very hefty price that will be paid by someone. Like any other governmental action, it will either come from other funds or require more taxpayer contribution to pay for these changes and maintenance.